In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add photo in Resume in WPS Office Mobile. Adding a photo to your resume using your phone can help your document look more complete and professionally presented. When done correctly, it allows you to position your image neatly without disturbing the text layout, making your resume clean and easy to read. To get started, open your resume in the WPS Office mobile app. Once the document is open, look at the bottom left corner of the screen and tap the icon that opens the editing tools. From the menu that appears, tap on Insert. This section contains all the options you need to add elements to your document. Next, tap on Picture, then choose the option to browse your device. Find the photo you want to use for your resume and tap on it to select it. Before placing the image into your resume, you will be given the option to edit it. Tap Edit to make any adjustments needed. This is where you can crop the image to focus on your face, apply a filter if necessary, or make small enhancements so the photo looks clear and professional. You can also annotate or repair the image if needed. Take a moment here, since a well-adjusted photo can greatly improve the overall appearance of your resume. When you are satisfied with the edits, tap Save. After saving, tap the circle icon at the top right corner of the screen, then tap OK to confirm adding the image to your document. The photo will now appear on your resume, but it may not be positioned correctly yet. To fix this, tap on the image to select it, then tap Wrap at the bottom of the screen. Make sure the wrapping option is set to Behind Text. If it is not, change it to that setting. This allows you to freely move the image without affecting the text. Now, long press on the image and drag it to the position where you want it to appear on your resume. Most people prefer placing it near the top, but you can adjust it based on your layout. Once the image is in place, resize it by dragging the gray circles around the edges. Adjust carefully to keep the proportions balanced and avoid making the photo too large or too small. After positioning and resizing, review your resume to ensure everything looks aligned and professional. A properly placed photo can enhance your resume without overpowering the content. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments, give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.